Guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. My name's Nelson. Welcome to Nelson POV. Today we're going to be installing a radio. You guys ready? Let's go! But before we get started, guys, I just want to give a quick shout out to all of you guys because this has been an amazing year. Without you guys, none of this would have been possible. And I never in a million years saw myself doing any kind of things like this, making videos. I got like 4 million views this year, and it's all because of you guys. You guys have shown me so much positivity, and that's something that I've never had in my entire life. It's something that is so real to me, and it's something that drives me, and it helps me so much. Even a little tiny comment here and there, you have no idea. You guys make my day. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you, and thanks for tuning in. I got this portable car stereo. That's right, this thing is as universal as it gets. It's 100% plug and play. It's by Eonon, bad to the bone. Super excited for this. CarPlay Android Auto, rear view camera, 4K dash cam, and it is just super cool, full of features. When you get this is what you're going to see. It's wrapped and packaged pretty nice. And some really cool stuff on there. And this is it. This is all you got to do. You just mount it up somewhere, and that's it. So in the back, it has the port. This is the power. It's going to have an auxiliary cord. This is Bluetooth, so you should be able to connect it straight to your car if it has Bluetooth. We got a power button at the top, and here's your 4K dash cam. This right here is also flexible, which is really cool. So it's going to contour to your car's curves, and it's just going to fit perfectly. It swivels, and actually you can remove this, and if you did not want to use this, which I am actually going to use, what you can do is it comes with a suction cup style for the car. And I haven't tried the suction cup out style yet because I'm more interested in this. I like the way that fits, and it's going to fit my vehicle perfectly. But this fits any vehicle. Let's go through our wiring. This is our power wire, and that's it. You just got to plug it into your 12-volt cigarette lighter, and this is gonna work. It's gonna power on you're gonna have a 4K dash cam. That is freaking awesome. User's manual, you don't need that. But I would recommend that you go through and read it. I've already read the entire thing. Here is our 4K rear view camera, and this thing is super cool, super easy plug and play. Now my vehicle has the Bluetooth, has a rear view camera, so I'm not gonna be using this, but I am gonna show you guys how to wire it, and we're gonna go through and see the resolution on this thing. That's that. Another baggie. Here is our auxiliary if you wanted to run auxiliary. So as soon as you connect this, got the auxiliary cord, this should all be playing to your car's speakers. So it's going to work like that. It comes with an extra pad, mounting pad, and a plastic trim tool, which I am going to need. So thank you for that. It has these other mountings for the wire, so that's a clip where you can mount the wire. So let's get to the installation now that we know what we're doing. You don't really need any tools. Some pry tools would be the best. Super universal, as you can see. You can literally just put it anywhere. Boom, like that. And let me get this out of the way. And literally our installation is done. This is a 10-minute install, but here in POV now, so we're gonna go a little bit more into detail. Like I said, you could just do that if you wanted to. Super universal, and it works for any car. Just boom, that's it, you're done. But, so I'm gonna take my whole kind of place apart, run this wire into here and hide the wire. It's just gonna come out through here and go boom, right to the back. But if you wanted to, you don't have to do any of that. If you wanted to, this is what you do to install this radio. Glue it on the top, plug this in. That's how you know it's working, when it glows red. Run your other wire to this screen. Oh my goodness, what a what a mess. Grab your radio, plug it in right there. And there, it's already working. Hi. Doing this really isn't that hard, just depends on the car that you have. Most of these things are just trims, and you just kind of pull them out, and just super easy basic stuff that anyone can do. So what I'm gonna do is just Kind of pull it out here, and you see how easy that is. So this is a 2012 Jeep. And then we're gonna have some electrical connectors back here. So this Jeep, let's pull it on there. This one has it on this side, and that's it. Jeep actually had a light here. Here it is, but I completely broke it. If it wasn't broken enough, I broke it even more. So I was gonna originally drill a hole maybe over here in the back to run this wire, but now that I've broken that myself, this literally just fits right through there. Check it out, look. Boom. So now I don't have to do anything. Gonna send it through here through the vent, and boom, power up my radio. I'm gonna clean some of this up, so let me do this and I'll be right back. Right now I'm just kind of feeding this whole wire through, and really cool is that even after you install it, it still has another USB port, so you can still charge your car or charge your phone. Charge your car. Yeah, so that's really something cool. And yeah, let's install this. This is plastic. It'd be cool if they made this like kind of like a metal, but it does feel almost like metal. It's pretty heavy duty. So let me install it back into my cigarette lighter here. And I only have one, so to have that extra one right there is really cool. So we need to have some power going to it. Sorry about the beep. I think it's annoying as well. Super sticky stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to see where the center of my radio is. Pretty simple stuff. And I'm just gonna put it a little bit further back. See if I can, you know, I didn't measure, nothing like that, nothing too serious. Even after sticking it on, is still pretty adjustable. Here, that's perfect, and we can just run it. We can just run it right here. No joke, just like that. And what do you guys think about that? That's pretty cool. And that's gonna be it. So now the rest of these wires, let's just tie them all up together and call this installation done. Hardest part of the job. Okay. Just gonna, where are you running at? Right here. And that's it, guys. We're basically done. That's it. That's how easy it is to install. It's the easiest radio I've ever installed. Every single time they send me a radio, I always say this is the easiest radio. It just gets easier and easier. This is awesome. Technology has gone so far. So now let me install this stuff, and then we're gonna test it out, see how it goes. Well, actually, let's see what happens when we squish this wire here and how it's gonna go. Oh, my screwdriver that I didn't even use. Hold on. So it's kind of like naturally just wanting to do that. And it looks 100% original. Everything on there is good. It's sticked on very good. Freaking amazing. Here it is. That's the 4K front camera. I do not have a reverse camera installed because, well, my Jeep already has a reverse camera, so to have two reverse cameras would just be kind of weird. This first camera is very cool. There is a micro SD slot in the back, so if you actually want to have that recording saved, I would really recommend you guys get one of those. Pretty cheap on Amazon. You can get them for like 10-20 bucks. So that's not a big deal. It doesn't not come with one, so you do need one to save that recording. And I just recommend you get one. I love the little touch, the noises that it makes. Let's go back home and let's go. Let's see, this is the Bluetooth, this is the brightness adjustment, and this is a home button. Let's go through some of the settings. So general settings, screensavers, clear connection, driving position, split screen mode, brightness, assistive touch. Let's go to camera settings. So you can go to the resolution. You know, you can shoot 2K, 4K, 1080p, which doesn't make any sense, kind of. Split time, collision sensitivity, microphone, rear mirror image. I do not have it on, so it's turned off right now. Reverse line calibration, so that would be something pretty cool, but I do not have that one. I have my own. Let's go to systems, language, sounds, so you can adjust your volumes and whatnot. Tip sound, I have it on. Date and time, I already did that. You know, 23rd of December, cool. storage information, so you can put an SD card and get more storage, or back to factory settings, and the firewall version that it is. All right, so let's go back home. Now I have an iPhone, so I'm going to do the Apple CarPlay iPhone stuff. And there is other things here, other settings, but we're going to do here. So it takes me to my stuff. And let me see if we can make a phone call. Oh, baby love. Let me see if I can get her. Oh, actually, it's pretty late. I probably shouldn't call her. But there it is. It's calling. You can see it's already connected Bluetooth to the car speakers. What is it?
Like the camera.
Yeah, it's a split screen.
Dude, the camera.
Hello. How you doing?
Good.
I'm good. I love you. I'll see you later. Okay. Bye. But you can see it works. It's pretty simple.
Phone call completed.
Thank you, Jeep. Thank you. Yeah, the Jeep is really cool. And yeah, it's actually pretty easy. We can. Oh, she's calling me back. Oh no.
Incoming call. Press Uconnect phone button.
There's navigation here too, so you can just go to Google, and there, that's exactly where I'm at actually.
Sick.
Yeah, and yeah, pretty cool. Go to my own settings, play music.
You can get some Dunkin'?
Yeah, I got Dunkin' on there. And that's about it. I mean, it's got a ton of other features, I'm pretty sure, that I haven't gone through. It's a really, really cool setup, super easy to install. And that's it, guys. I really appreciate you guys being here. I'm going to have a link down in the description below, probably with a discount too right now for the holidays. And Merry Christmas. Thank you guys for tuning in. Love y'all. Bye.